Hey guys, it's Sam with The Blind Life. Welcome back to the channel. Today we're doing a real quick tutorial on how to get Select to Speak working on your Android device. If you don't know what that is, Select to Speak, it's what I would call a sometimes screen reader. Right? So on Android, the full-blown screen reader is called TalkBack. That is where everything is read out loud to you. But if you don't need a full-blown, all-the-time screen reader, you do have another option, and that is Select to Speak. Incidentally, if you want to learn all the different ways either your Android phone can talk to you or your iPhone can talk to you, I've done videos on all of those. I'll include that in the video description down below. But for a demonstration of Select to Speak, let me just jump into my email here. You can trigger it a couple different ways. The way I have it set up on mine currently is with a 2-finger swipe up from the bottom. Our little red circle pops out down here in the bottom right. Now, if I draw a box over anything on my screen, any text.
Ticketmaster. We're updating our Ticketmaster terms of use and other policies.
It reads it out loud. And yeah, Ticketmaster is updating their terms and policies. Super quick, super easy. I can draw a box over whatever I want, or I can click a little button and it will read everything on the screen. But I've had a lot of people say, I can't find it. It's not in the accessibility settings. Where is it? How do I turn on Select to Speak? And that is probably because you don't have the Android accessibility suite of apps installed on the phone. So how to do that, just jump into the Google Play Store and you're going to search for Android Accessibility or Android Accessibility Suite, and you just want to make sure this is installed and updated. Then once it's been installed, you're going to jump into your settings. You're going to scroll all the way to the bottom where accessibility is. I'm doing this on a Samsung phone, but for a Google Pixel phone or Motorola or whatever, you just need to get into your accessibility settings, wherever that is. And then for Samsung anyway, you're going to look for installed apps, usually down at the bottom of the accessibility section here. You're going to click into that, and then this is where you're going to find Select to Speak. Once you're in there, you can choose how you want to trigger it. Since I'm not running the navigation bar at the bottom, which is usually those buttons at the bottom, on-screen buttons like the back button, the home button, and the recent apps button, I don't have those turned on because I'm using all the gestures. That's why I have the option to do a 2-finger swipe up from the bottom to do Select to Speak. But whatever you want, choose it, and you've got it. Select to Speak is now available on your Android device, and it's awesome, and you'll be able to have whatever you want read out loud to you whenever you want it. So there you go, guys. A quick tutorial on how to install those Android accessibility suite of apps and how to find and enable Select to Speak. I hope that was helpful. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments down below.